why workplace incidents keep repeating, and how to actually prevent them. Traditional LMS is failing enterprises. Here's a better system. How leading companies reduce risk, improve safety, and save costs. If your organization is still facing repeated incidents, even after training, this video will help explain exactly why. Most enterprises are investing in safety, training, and systems, but still losing time, money, and productivity. Here's what's missing. What if the problem isn't your people, but the way your organization learns from work? Okay, today we're going to break down a major issue affecting enterprise operations. Why incidents keep repeating, why traditional safety systems fail, and what's leading organizations are doing differently. If you're an enterprise owner, safety manager, supervisor, or team lead, this will completely change what you think and how you think about workplace safety, operational efficiency, and decision-making. Let's start with the reality. Most organizations already have safety training programs, incident reporting systems, and learning management systems. And yet, incidents still keep happening. Why? Because most systems focus on compliance, documentation, and reporting, but not on real operational learning. So what happens? Incidents are investigated, reports are created, training repeated, but the root causes still remain unchanged. This leads to increased operational costs, time loss in repeated investigations, reduced productivity, and higher organizational risk. The issue is not lack of effort. The issue is lack of actionable insights. Let's talk about traditional learning systems. A typical learning management system is designed to deliver training, track completion, and ensure compliance. But here's the problem. Completion does not equal improvement. Your teams can complete 100% of training modules and still face the same operational failures. Why? Because real work environments are dynamic, complex, and constantly changing. Static training cannot adapt to real-world conditions. So instead of solving problems, organizations end up repeating the same mistakes, relying on outdated insights, and missing what actually is happening on the front line. This is where most enterprises lose both time and money. Now here's what's changing globally. Organizations are moving from compliance to operational intelligence, from training to behavior-based learning, reactive safety to predictive systems. This shift is critical because companies no longer want to just respond to incidents, they want to prevent them before they happen again. And that requires a completely different approach. This is where learning teams comes in. Learning teams is not just a tool, it's a decision-making system for enterprises. Instead of relying only on reports, it focuses on frontline insights, real-time collaboration, and continuous improvement. Here's how it works. Teams come together to discuss real work scenarios. Insights are captured directly from the front line. AI-powered recommendations identify patterns. Discussions are converted into actionable tasks. Leadership gets real-time dashboards for better decisions. So instead of talking, leading to forgetting, leading to repeating mistakes, you get discussion leading to capturing, to actioning, to improving. That's the difference between activity and impact. Now, let's talk about what enterprises actually care about: results. With the right system in place, organizations can reduce repeated events, improve workplace safety, save time on investigations, increase operational efficiency, enable faster decision-making, and build a stronger learning culture. This is not just about safety. It directly impacts cost reduction, productivity, team performance, and business growth. We saw one company save over $2 million annually in lost production costs. That's why leading enterprises are shifting towards systems like learning teams. If your organization is still relying only on training and reports, you're solving the problem at the surface level, and it's going to repeat. The real opportunity is to build a system that learns from work, adapts in real time, drives continuous improvement. That's what creates long-term impact. If you want to see how learning teams can work in your organization, book a demo, explore real use cases on our website, and understand how your current challenges can be solved more effectively. Because in today's environment, It's not about how much you train. It's about how effectively your organization learns.